Suppose you have a table of sales invoices and you want to create a quick report so you can calculate total sales for every company in each month. All what you need to do is the following. First, add a new column and name it month. Now write this formula and apply it to the all sales in the column. Second, add a new column and name it year and write this formula. And apply it to the all sales in the column. Now select all column, go to Insert, Pivot Table from Table Range. OK. Now drag amount to values. Drag month to columns. Drag year to filter. And drag customer to row. And here it is, the report. Now you can filter it on the year that you want to calculate. We can see the grand total for each company and the grand total for all company in the month. I think this is better. Here is the grand total for this company in all 2024. And here is the grand total of all company in January 2024.